Hey there, my name's Alvin Nasi, and if you're a retail store owner, I've been exactly in your shoes. I know exactly what it feels like to have your business running you, not the other way around. And I know, despite working day and night, 7 days a week in your business, sure, your sales are going up, but you're still in the red. Cash flow is tight, and you don't know where all your money is going. Does that sound familiar? Well, let me tell you, I've been there myself. I've worked super hard in my retail stores only to figure out that my money is magically disappearing and my profits have gone down to zero. What's going on? Years ago, I owned and ran multiple retail stores, pharmacies in particular. At one stage, I had 5 large businesses. We had a team of about 60 people, turnover close to $30 million. On paper, this looked great. But behind the scenes, I was stressed and super confused as to what was going on in my businesses. My sales were up, but my profit was non-existent. I was drowning in debt, struggling to make the bank repayments, struggling to make finance repayments, struggling to pay my suppliers, and struggling to pay my team. It seemed like the harder I worked, the more in the red I was getting. I was burning out and I was stuck. And I knew I had to make a change. I was working in my business non-stop with no time for family, no time for friends, no time for travel, and I knew this had to end. And that's when I hired a business coach. My business coach showed me how to monitor my cash flow, track my profitability, and therefore allowed me to grow my retail stores without me spending more time in them, ultimately freeing up my time so that I could do the things that I wanted to. And my biggest values are time and freedom. And my business coach showed me how to do that. I could finally now work on my business rather than in it and do the things that I love. And now I want to show you how to do the same things. And that's why I created the Cash Flow and Profit Mastery program for retailers just like you. And if you're tired of working endless hours, trying to figure out where all your cash is going, struggling to make profits, then this is the program for you. It's my step-by-step program that will help transform your retail store just like it did mine. And here's what you get when you join today. Proven strategies that will help you increase your cash flow and profitability without working extra hours. Easy to follow tools and systems that will help you increase your cash flow and profitability. Someone with real world retail business experience. I've been where you are. I've been in the hole you're currently in, and I can help you get out of it. Weekly live group coaching calls where you can get your questions answered, not only about the course material that you're studying and implementing in your store, but anything else that may come up as a result of trying to grow your retail store. And you get accountability because someone needs to be kicking your ass. And as part of this program, you will be accountable for the changes that you make to grow your business. I'm here to help you create a business that works for you, that helps you create more time and more freedom, or whatever the values that you want are, but ultimately to help you create a business that runs without you so that it funds your lifestyle. If you're ready to stop working around the clock and start to work on your business, join the Cash Flow and Profit Mastery program today. Together, we'll create the business that you deserve. Click the button below to lock in your spot and start transforming your business today. I can't wait to help turn your business around and give you the tools and strategies that you need to create more time and freedom for yourself. Let's get started.